Friends, in this session, let us understand what are the loans available in banking channel for businesses. So, the first available option is working capital loans. The banks would give loans for working capital purposes, and those loans can be in the fund based form, that is, you will get it as cash, and it can also be in non fund based form where you don't get cash, rather, banks will be giving certain letters or guarantees which will help you to meet the operations of your business. So the banks would give working capital loans which can be either fund based or non fund based, and they are basically useful for supporting your operations. The next form of loans are term loans. The term loans would be given by the banks to undertake a project so that you can expand your business, or you can start a new business, or you can diversify into new business. So this is also available for business purposes. And the third form of loan is mortgage loan. So the mortgage loans can be classified into two. One which is for specific purpose, wherein you go and give some security, take a loan for specific purpose, or you can also take a loan for general purpose. So what is important in mortgage loans is you should be in a position to give a property as security. The property can be either land, it can be land and building, and when we say land and building, it can be either a residential one or it can be a commercial one. But this mortgage loan works in such a way that a certain percentage of value of this property will be considered for loan purposes.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up, and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.